Yeah, it's very simple. 4 square, you transfer that into a bigger one on the bottom here, okay? On the bottom. So you're gonna transfer. There you go. Very simple. How to do a grid style. Name this A, B, 1, 2, and then you can name this down here 1, 2 up there, and then this is A, B. So this is the, let's say this is grid. I don't know, you can name it as grid X. This is grid XX, okay? So transferring, drawing from grid X, smaller version, to a bigger one. Very simple. You could do this for any image, any picture. So let's say, let's have, let's draw something like, let's see here, let's see. Let's see here. Let's do like, I don't know. Should we do Leo? Like this guy? Let's just do the face. Okay, let's just draw the face. It's gonna be just a very quick one, okay guys? Simple. So let's just kind of draw the face. Leo. Like that. Okay. Neck. This is just very simple. That's that strap. So I there is something like that. Okay. Then the mouth, let's just kind of go like that. I just draw the teeth, make it simple. Okay, so that's it. There is yeah. Actually, you got that shelf. Yeah. I just make that like that. Make it simple. And then the shelf comes over here. Some 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something like that, guys. So something like that. So in order to transfer that to down there, you just look up here, you transfer this part to this part. So let's do that. Watch. Let's go like that. Like that. You can just kind of try focus on one part first, okay guys? Just go like that. It's not gonna be perfect, but it'll be close, okay? Like that. And then this will be like that. Now I'm just looking at this, this, and this. This and this now, okay? I don't look at this anymore. I just look at this grid X and grid XX, and I just transfer over like that. Okay, this is just some simple grid style for now. See, if you want, you can just go all the way down here like that. Like that, you know, get all the way down. So from right here, that mouth going, touching all 4 grid. Just make sure you do that. You can start from like something like from here. See how that is like close to here. You can kind of go like that and start right from here like that. Now you know it kind of go down and then up again, like that, like that. That little line mouse right here, you can just go in like that. And then you have the neck. Well, that part here, a little mistake by me, I just kind of draw it like that. Then you can match it up this with this, the neck, and then like that, like that, something like that. And that's where the shelf is. Well, I might have to extend this a little bit. And you know, just kind of cross hatch that. Whoop, kind of miss. So go back up there, look up there, and then you go back down. You draw here the shell like that. It should go up here. That's where it is. So there. You'll have to extend this a little bit. You know, the more practice you have, the better you'll get. You know, so 1, 2 line here, 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Go to the other side. That is right down from that eye, right here. So you go right down here. You go like that. You go like that. Then you draw from here down. You go draw from here down. Go like that, you know, like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you go. To let him know that he is Leo, you can either draw a sword or just write his name. I'll just say Leo. So you could just say Leo. This is just finish up the grid style, Leo, and there you go. And always don't forget to sign your name and date it. Today's the 20th, 2019. Okay, so and that's it, guys. Okay, here I'm gonna show you how to do the grid style drawing. You can use this and help you do the self-portrait. That's what I did back in high school. I did a project where I use a small photo, enlarge that into a larger photo. Okay, so you put this as 1, 2, A, B. Name this grid X. This is grid XX. 1, 2, A and B. So very simple. I'm just gonna do like a cup, or it's not a box, you know, or a cup, or a box. Just do a box, or let's do like a cup. Watch, like a cup, like this, like that. So let's put some thickness in here, and then let's put like a handle here to hold. Okay, so like that. From my pattern drawing class, these are just some kind of shading style that I remember from there. Like that. Shadow light come this way, so you could do like that, like that, and then you could do like that too. Okay, so now let's transfer that to the bigger picture down here. So it's gonna be kind of hard because there's a lot of stuff, but don't worry, let's draw the inner ring there first from here. You can kind of look at this and go like that, and then go like that. Okay, now draw the outer ring. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then now you can go like that. This goes all the way through here, and then it curves around like this. Let's do the handle. Draw the handle like that. Just kind of have to place the eyeball a little bit. So now let's draw these 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. Stops there. Let's draw the other 3 lines there. These are the 3 lines over here. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, and then now these lines on the bottom here, these 2 right here. So kind of go like that. I made a little mistake there, but that's how it looks, so I'm just gonna do that. And then now let's draw these 3 curved lines inside here. Start from here, and then the next one, the second one. Okay, second and third one. Third one. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but as you can see there, that's the small version and the big version. So there you go. Small cup, big cup, small cup, big cup. And you know, it's not too bad. Then always remember to sign your name and date. I like to put my VULKEE logo. And then if you want to, you can add some depth to it. There you go. Like that. That should go with that. And then shade it in a little bit, just to give it some texture like. There you go. Really cool, hey? So use that technique. You can do that for any kind of pictures and drawings. Alright, good luck. Go check out my videos, self-portrait video, and enter the contest. It's to win $50 gift card. Due date's December 24, 2019. I will announce the winner December 31st, 2019. Good luck, guys. Thank you, and let's keep drawing. Okay, hello there. This is VULKEE Arts, and I'm gonna show you some simple technique on how to transfer from a small image to a larger image. And this you can work with anything, like self-portraits, basically anything. So this, if you can go back to my first video, the one before this one, where I have a contest for self-portraits, you can watch this, go back, use this style, and draw yourself and submit it in. Deadline is December 24th, 2019. announce the winner December 31st, 2019, and the winner will win a $50 gift card. So anyway, here's some tips how to draw if you are a beginner. But if you are not, that's good. So very simple. You draw, you have a grid like this, right? Let's say this is X, 1, 2 on the top. This is A and B. And you are going to transfer into a bigger image down here. So let's say the one down here is like this size. Okay, so I'm just doing estimates, yeah. But if you are careful and you measure with a ruler, make everything perfect, it's gonna be really awesome. Well, anyway, self-portrait. So for example, I'm gonna draw a face, okay? Just simple. So like that. This will be I'm gonna draw like a scary or my ghost character. Okay, so very simple. Maybe you could color that in, make it stand out more, like that. So we're gonna transfer that down to the second box down here. So to make it easy, let's draw that circle face first. Or whichever you feel comfortable. I can go, yeah, let's draw the face first. May not be the best, but here we go. Okay. Actually, that should extend a little bit out more. And then the eye is right about here, right about there. Color it in, fill it in, fill it in. Then the mouth here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Neck, like this. And then it just goes straight down, like that. So that's pretty much it, That's how you transfer from one to the other using the grid style. Just make sure you're looking at A1, draw that, transfer that. Yeah, this will be an image of something already. So you just look at that and transfer this part A1 down to the bigger part A1 down here, like that. Okay, and then you go to A2, transfer to A2, B1, B1, B2, B2. And that's how you do it. Whatever you see up here, let's say for example like that, you just transfer it down, right down here, you know. See, 2, A2, go down, A2, transfer on, right on that side. So it's B2, transfer that line, B2, so B2, transfer right here. That's it. So let you know, if you color in A1, you also have to make sure you color in A1 down here by the bigger box, the double X square or box. So that's how it is. So that's how you keep things consistent. The first one to the second one, not bad. You'll have fun. I mean, something like this, you can do so much once you get better at it. So good luck, and I hope that you will submit your self-portrait drawing and we'll have fun. Keep drawing, and that's all I can say. To get better, just keep drawing. Be persistent. Doesn't have to be perfect, because if it's perfect, it's not really no point in drawing. So the point of drawing is just to get the main things out of it, you know. Just have fun and you'll get better at it. As long as you look at it, take a good glance at it, it looks good, it looks like it's the same, you're good. Oh yeah, don't forget to sign and date. Okay, then I like to put my logo put some depth into this, and then you can shade it however you want. And that's it. Right here. Alright, have fun guys. Thanks, and keep drawing.